Alright folks, so I'm out with the X5M today. Now as some of you know, this car spends most of its time in the garage and now it's been sitting in the sun. And I realized something that I've seen many people complaining, but I haven't yet seen exactly how bad it was or how good it was. So I decided to make a quick video on it. Now the video is about the door handles. Okay, the E70 and some of the BMW door handles, they can get pretty sticky, especially when they left in the sun. And this was the case, so I was actually starting to clean the car, because it does need a really good clean. And when I touched the handle, I realized how sticky it was, how gunky it is. So I thought, I'm gonna show you guys how to actually clean it rather than replacing. Now, most people are actually going to tell you to replace the door handle, and there's not something very expensive. I think they're about $25 to $35 each, but you actually have to replace all four of them. The driver's side doesn't really happen because it's a different type of handle, but the two rear sides and the passenger side is going to be need to be replaced. So I'm going to show you guys a quick trick on how to get this thing done without actually spending a cent. And all you're going to need is some turpentine, mineral turp, or some sort of paint removal or glue removal. You're gonna need a screwdriver, and you're gonna need a rag or a cloth, some sort. Let's get onto it. Now, if you actually leave the car in the sun, you're gonna be able to see this much easier, and you are gonna be able to remove the material, because all that actually happens is, see, this old material is actually what the door handle is made of. It's actually made of plastic, but there is this rubber style thing. See, if I just hook it with a screwdriver, this is the sticky thing on your door handle. See, and all that you're gonna have to do is, you come with a screwdriver, you scrape it all off. See how easily it comes off? You scrape it all off. And then what you're gonna do is, you're gonna get a turpentine, you put a little bit into the rag, and you just clean it all the way up. And therefore you're gonna be removing all the glue in it. And what's that gonna take you? Probably about 5 or 10 minutes on each door handle. So at the end of the day, you're gonna spend 30 minutes, no money at all, and you get all the door handles sorted, no more stickness. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and if you liked the video, if you think it was helpful, just give a thumbs up, hit a like, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. See you next.